So the purpose of organizing this workshop is to provide you some do's and don'ts about speech competitions, debate competitions. Why we have decided to organize this workshop? Because all are taking efforts. You are taking efforts, school is taking efforts, teachers are taking efforts, but somewhere we don't see that level of competition. जिस लेवल का कंपटीशन होना चाहिए वो हमको दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. Means if there are 50 participants, 50 60 participants, so hardly we see that only 4 5 students are very good, they perform very well, they impress everyone. So it doesn't look good, it doesn't look a competitive competition. It seems that there are some few students and always they win. So we decided that we should organize a workshop where we can provide you some basic skills of communication. So we'll see what are the basic skills of communication. Okay, this is the first purpose of this workshop. Second, the way you are participating in speech competitions, is it okay if I use only English or Hindi also? All are from English medium? Okay, means I think competition is in English only. Okay, but I'll use Hindi also, okay, because the purpose is taking away message. The purpose is कि आप यहां से एक मैसेज लेकर जाओ. ठीक है, तो इस वर्कशॉप को ऑर्गेनाइज करने का दूसरा पर्पस ये भी है कि आज आप इस स्टेज पे जो स्पीचेस कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हो, चाहे प्राइज जीत रहे हो या नहीं जीत रहे हो, ये एक स्किल है जो आपको लाइफ टाइम काम आने वाली है. इवन आप किसी भी प्रोफेशन में चले जाओ, ये आपकी स्पीकिंग एबिलिटी जो है ये आपको किसी भी प्रोफेशन में एडवांटेज दे सकती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू बिकम अ टीचर, सो टीचिंग रिक्वायर्स अ वेरी गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल. इफ यू बिकम अ सेल्स पर्सन, मार्केटिंग पर्सन, देयर ऑल्सो यू नीड communication skill. If you become a manager in a company, you need very good communication skills to deal with your team members. If you become a generalist, generalist reporter, if you become a reporter, there also you need communication skills. So believe me, almost every field requires communication skill, and if it is with stage presence, then it is added advantage. Because I'll share my experience.